Here, we believe healthy eating doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. It just has to be real. So grab a seat and let's make something delicious together. Today, we're putting together one of my favorite quick lunches. It's fresh, packed with nutrition, and comes together in just a few minutes using simple ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Let's start with the cucumber. Nature has a funny way of making healthy food taste refreshing. Cucumbers are crisp, full of water to help keep you hydrated, and rich in nutrients your body appreciates. They're inexpensive, easy to prepare, and proof that eating healthy doesn't have to be complicated. These little cherry tomatoes may be small, but they're packed with goodness. They're rich in vitamin C to support your immune system, potassium for healthy muscles and nerves. Lycopene, one of nature's powerful antioxidants that helps protect your cells. Plus, they're naturally juicy, sweet, and full of flavor. Eggs are one of nature's little powerhouses. They're packed with high-quality protein to help build and repair your muscles, along with vitamins like B12 and D to support your energy, bones, and immune system. They also contain choline, an important nutrient that helps keep your brain healthy. Simple, satisfying, and incredibly nutritious. Now let's add the cottage cheese. It's rich in high-quality protein to help keep you feeling full and satisfied, while also providing calcium to support strong bones and teeth. It's creamy, delicious, and one of the easiest ways to add real nutrition to your plate. To finish it off, I'm sprinkling on a little Italian seasoning. Herbs like oregano, basil, thyme, and rosemary aren't just packed with flavor. They're also full of natural plant compounds and antioxidants that help protect your body's cells. It's amazing how something so simple can make a meal taste better while adding a little extra goodness, too. Just remember that every healthy choice we make is a gift to the future version of ourselves. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be one step in the right direction. Thanks for watching, and remember, eat real, live well, and enjoy the simple things. Subscribe! I'll see you next time here on Real Food, Real Life.